So viewer subscriber, in this update we have authentic a this up Popcaan from the media. Yeah man, I remember when Popcaan take the mic from Authentic while he was performing. Yeah man, Authentic this him back. Such a man, we'll get into the video. Remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new to the channel. I'm going to kick this off the right way.
Oh no, catch a rocket with the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rocket.
Hold on, don't stop it. All of you them when one say yo, who don't have a talent, continue do it. Don't make nobody tell you say yo, children not good in a month, so they're not gonna be nobody. Who don't can come keep bigger treat than this. Yeah, what the fuck they do about gangsta? Taxi collect in a bag boy. Yo, substance, found a chat. Yo, no.
Keep it on the low, don't tell nobody the freaky things that we do.
So as me they show you before viewer subscriber, Denique at this Popcaan with an image on her shirt with Popcaan at it a watermelon. So basically everybody with this Popcaan them a use a watermelon to signify say yo a Popcaan them a this. So you know what Authentic do? Authentic go buy a Popcaan on the streets and smash you out on the ground. If say yo a Popcaan that yo watch a man on a pretty video.
What came for that now? It's a brand new melon, alright? Don't do it there. Murder.
So basically viewer subscriber Authentic a defend himself. Yeah man, Authentic say what really a go on pan the media where people are say yo Popcaan diss him. So Authentic say watch on man, me not take that because the news a circulate everywhere if you say yo Popcaan take the mic from Authentic and diss him. So Authentic go buy one watermelon for $2,000 and smash you up on the ground. A signify say yo Popcaan are you that a so do to boy. You see me? I mean, know say most of me see the video already, but yo, I have to give my honest opinion on it and give you my review. You see, pre? Yeah, man, Authentic now make them boy up in thing. Because I know say this is dancehall. Dancehall is a rough sport. And if you make another artist bully you and you take it, basically your name in the streets, I go be that you coward. You see me? So Authentic have to defend that. Authentic now take a diss like that and just make it go on. And maybe you know if you're a subscriber, maybe Authentic say, you know what, I'm gonna make it go on, you know. The boy take the mic from me, but I'm gonna just make it go on, I make it cool. But true Authentic go see all of this a circulate now with them a say, yo, Popcaan take the mic from him. We make the vlog and we talk about it and I say, yo, Ray. Authentic I say, alright, he can't make it slide because basically it a go boy up in thing. It a making thing look like a boy thing on the road. So the entertainer decides him have to clap back. He have to make Popcaan know himself. You see me? Because as me say, Authentic street cred would have go down if Authentic just take that. And as me say, everybody a talk about it. Basically the video with Popcaan I take the mic from Authentic, they're all over the media. You see me? So Authentic, more than likely Authentic I go see the video and hear what we are say and man now go take it. Because as me say, things like these, you see, if you don't defend yourself in the streets, bro, I mean if you fire this or fire that, I mean like defend yourself as an artist, people are gonna obviously say, oh, you're weak. People are gonna, your thing are gonna lame out, bro. You can't push badness to nobody. You see me? So when Authentic go smash the watermelon, now we know who him attack. Because Denique had a picture, had a shirt on with a picture on it, and you can see a Popcaan eat the watermelon. So basically, as me said before, if you're a subscriber, everybody I call Popcaan watermelon, man. I mean, know say Popcaan nah go eat no more watermelon after this. Yo, dance all nice. Me nah go lie. You see me? But the entertainer them nah fi call no name, but we know who them attack. You see me? But would love for the entertainer them for go in at the studio. I swear, but me know say maybe Popcaan nah go up for that. You see, pray. And Authentic also lock off the comment section because him know say the unruly fans them I go reply. Him know say the unruly fans them I go jump out and say what them have to say and this up back Authentic, you know? But at the end of the day, me would have loved to see the artists them going at the studio, bro. But me know say that not go happen. Me know say that not go happen. But me no rate the fact say yo Popcaan would have grown and just take mic from the young artists them, you know, and a style the youth them so. Basically all on in a one category. No man no fear style nobody, bro. You see if I not clash, we no fear style nobody. You see me? A one family, one music, all on I do. As me say, unity is strength. But at the end of the day, yeah, we want to see a little clash in the dance hall, you know. But fear disrespect each other up on a big stage in front of people, that can't go on, bro. And me don't know if a true Popcaan feel like saying bigger than the rest of the artists them, making feel like saying can deal with them like that. But enough of them now go take it. As you can see, Tentic jump out and a this back Popcaan. Look at Valiant. From Valiant find himself, him start this Popcaan. You see me? So basically, the young youth, them not take no this from Popcaan because them realize when they pan and how him a pray. And enough of the artists, them have Popcaan as a bad mind youth in the game. You see me? But at the end of the day, me no rate them move from Popcaan though. Me no know if I true him feel like saying bigger than the rest of the artists them, make him feel like saying can deal with them any way. But me no rate the style from Popcaan. You see me? But as me say, enough of the artists them now go sit down and make Popcaan deal with them like that. Them I go reply. You see me? But viewer subscriber, me know no think about that. As me say, Tentic nah take no this.
What came for that? It's a brand new melon, alright? Don't do it. No.